We'll begin with Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, where you'll be watching for some storms today. A lot of these storms will be picking up off the Front Range of Colorado, Wyoming, and we're going to see those extend into portions of New Mexico. Yesterday, we had a couple of tornado reports, in fact, land spouts as well. This is the perfect setup where we see that. You see those just shoot up real quick. They're massive and they're big and they're kind of scary looking. It's a little bit different when you look at it compared to what you would expect from a funnel.
It's tubular,
yeah,
right?
It's tubular, yes.
Yeah, it has and not in the cool way like Ninja Turtles. We're talking
totally
about
tubular.
in the scary tornadic way. But that tornado report out of Wyoming was a land spout tornado, and so they form from the ground upwards, and sometimes they do create a mesocyclone rotation within the thunderstorm, and that's what we consider a hybrid. But yesterday, it was a land spout. Let's move on to eastern Colorado. Craig, these wind gusts are crazy.
Insane. Akron, Plattner, all within a short span here. Wind gusts from 75 miles per hour, Cat 1 wind gusts to 113 in Akron. This is a heavily traveled area, plus you have a lot of farming communities out here. So I'd be interested to see if there was some damage done out here. Today, the threat continues along the Front Range.
I'm sure there was.
There had to have been, right? With that kind of wind out in the plains, there's nothing to stop it.
That's where the majority of agriculture exists in Colorado, is the Eastern Plains, so really tough conditions there. And we're following it up today with a level 3 out of 5. So there's really no rest for the weary for the state of Colorado.
And how about tomorrow? It's a level 2 out of 5 at this point. And by the way, this level 3 was an upgrade that came in because yesterday we were at a level 2. And then Thursday, it's almost the same locations where we're dealing with these rounds of energy coming off of the Rockies. This morning, we've got a few severe thunderstorm warnings that are in place. I'll go in quickly with a couple in Nebraska here from the north. These are moving to the southeast, could be producing some larger hail. And by the way, these storms today could also be producing some hail 2.5 inches, perhaps up to 3 inches in diameter. I saw another severe thunderstorm warning to the south over in Oklahoma. Of course, we talked about Oklahoma City just moments ago. This energy also sliding to the southeast, and this one comes through with perhaps some wind gusts to 60 miles per hour, maybe even some hail within that. Britta, today there's the tornado threat, the damaging wind threat, and large hail. When we talk large hail in this part of the country, you know it, 2 to 3 inches in diameter potentially.
Yep, that's why you need a hail policy if you live in Colorado and Kansas. Most homeowners' insurance policies require you to have that in addition. As we take a look at the timing, again, as we mentioned, it's afternoon and evening. Yes, we have the thunderstorms this morning, but the reboot this afternoon could be even more explosive. So that speaks to the severity of severe weather today for the Central Plains, Craig, because we have multiple severe thunderstorm warnings this morning without daytime heating. Yeah. So you throw in daytime heating with the upper level support, and it is going to become an issue probably after 2 o'clock.
That is such a great point you bring up. And then, of course, with the winds banking up against the Rockies, we're in business. So we've got the severe storm that extends through the day today, tomorrow, and into Thursday. Please be prepared if you're going to be traveling here, if you live here, or if you have a connecting flight, even out of Denver.